In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new mail in Zoho. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you're on the main Mail dashboard. This is where you can view your inbox, sent messages, drafts, and other folders. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to creating a message. If not, just log in and wait for the mailbox interface to fully load, so everything is visible and ready to use. Once you're inside Zoho Mail, look for the option labelled New Mail. Click on it to open a fresh email draft. This will bring up the Compose window, which is the space where you can write and prepare your message before sending it. Depending on your layout, this Compose window may appear as a pop-up, a side panel, or a full-screen editor, but the process is the same. Now, go to the recipient field and enter the email address of the person you want to send the message to. It's very important to make sure the address is accurate, because even a small typo can cause the email to go to the wrong person or fail to send properly. Take a moment to double-check the spelling before moving on. Being careful here helps avoid mistakes and saves time later. After that, move down to the main message area and compose your email. This is where you type the content you want to send. Keep your message clear and organized so the recipient can easily understand it. If you're writing a professional email, it's a good idea to be polite, direct, and concise. If it's a casual email, you can still keep it neat and easy to read. Before sending, quickly review what you've written for spelling, clarity, and tone. A short review can make your message look much more polished. Once you're done and everything looks correct, click Send. Zoho Mail will then deliver your message to the recipient. After sending, you can usually verify that it was sent successfully by checking your Sent folder, which is useful if you want to confirm that the email went through. And that's it. That's how to create a new mail in Zoho. As you can see, the process is simple. Open your Zoho Mail account, click New Mail, enter the recipient's email address carefully, compose your message, and then click Send. With just a few quick steps, your email is ready to go.